So we had 3 bed, 3,100 square feet. It's a lot of house.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy HD, man. We're back on the Property Bruhz channel. We're live at the Bonner Street new construction project. I'm live with Builder Bay. What's going on, man?
What's going on, HD?
You excited?
I am excited.
Yes, Lord, man. So as you guys can see, we have completely, well, not completely finished, but just about finished the framing phase. And we're gonna take you guys through. But first, I wanna make sure I tell you guys to like, comment, and subscribe if you already haven't. Because guess what? We out here and it's cold, man. It's cold, man. It's
Literally.
cold. It's bricks out here. Y'all run it up, man. Let's go. So we are currently in
the garage.
Right. Well, almost to the garage.
Almost to the garage. We got a little extra space here for carport. Honestly, you can stage out here if they wanted to. They can have a little extra seating area if they wanted to. But I think this would just be a good, just extra carport, extra space for visitors, you know, whatever. They park in the garage, they still can park here, have a little covering.
Yeah, before you get into the garage.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
I like that, actually.
So guess what I'm thinking?
Well,
I'm thinking, you know, the glass garage doors that's frosted.
Yeah.
I feel like it'll bring a little more modern look to the house.
I like that.
So I think that's what we're gonna go with.
Let me ask you a question though. Now that you see it framed out, do you wish that you kept the closet here, or you like it closed off?
Not necessarily, because I think that's a little old-fashioned. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I don't think people are gonna utilize closet space outside. Maybe if we would have maybe put it inside, maybe, but you see how it's cold today?
Yeah.
Coming outside to your closet.
I feel that. So it's a very spacious garage that we have here. Like 2-car garage for
And what
sure.
we got? 14-foot ceiling?
Yeah, it's high.
Very high.
So this is where you will really first walk in at, right here. We got a nice
huge door.
Yep.
Which I absolutely love.
What type of door you gonna go with? You gonna go with like a swing?
So I'm thinking swing. You know, the very big. It's like a one door, but it basically just swings open.
Up, yeah.
That's what I'm going for. I feel like it'll kind of connect to the garage door a little bit. It won't be similar, but it'll be close enough where they'll basically complement one another.
Nice.
And then we got a little extra coat closet here.
And we also had a nice open.
Very nice open. Very nice.
Right? And yeah, let's walk up a little bit.
Let's give them a
Well, we are on an active construction site, so.
Literally. Active.
Now this is
the living room.
Yup, the living room area and the kitchen. Back over this way.
So the kitchen is here. Here. The kitchen is here. This will be a living room. And then we'll actually have a dining room space. We'll actually have a dining room space there, which I think gives you the openness, but it also gives you your dining room, your living room, your kitchen. And we'll have a pantry here, and then we'll have a bathroom off to the side. I think the thing that I love about this floor, you'll be able to go out the front with a balcony and out the back. So I actually love that about this layout. Yeah.
I love the design on this. It's really nice.
Yeah.
And for our viewers out there, if y'all didn't know, if y'all not following her page already, she actually purchased this land with the plans already approved. So it was a great situation, actually.
We
Like,
was able to come in and get right to work.
Yep.
Literally right to work.
The next day, she had a dumpster out here, ready to go. We had our crews ready, rocking and rolling.
Literally.
I'm gonna have to do a count and see what day we on, but we definitely are, keeping up with our timeline that we say we was gonna do.
You wanna know? You wanna see another thing I love?
Yeah.
Just open it.
Oh yeah, this is what I was about to ask you about. So, what were you thinking about for here? You thinking about a nice chandelier that's gonna drop down?
Yeah, so I actually love this opening. I haven't really decided yet if I'm gonna put glass here or a railing here, but I do love this open. I think I'm gonna keep it open and then just drop a chandelier right there in the middle.
I think that'll be fire. I think that's what you should do. And I want y'all to comment down below what y'all think she should put right here. Glass, should we finish it with glass, or should we close it in so it could be more livable space?
Literally.
It could be more livable
honestly,
space.
if we close it in, people could use it as like an office, and then they'll have, open it they'll have plenty of sunlight.
Yep.
So it just depends. But I think I'm gonna leave it open. Put some glass here.
Drop a nice chandelier.
Drop a nice chandelier. LVP throughout.
Yep.
It's
It's
gonna show
gonna be
out.
fine. Let's go check out this top floor. All of the rooms are big. It's a very open concept too. Like the floor
I'm like,
plan
damn, if I would
is
have realized
beautiful.
this shit was gonna be that big, I would have put another room up here. You don't think so?
I think it's perfect. Cause you got one downstairs too.
Yeah, I know, but I'm saying to make it a 4-3 instead of 3-3.
I mean, now would be the time.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. That's supposed to be. This is supposed to be the laundry room here, and this is a hallway. So ultimately, there'll be
It's laundry, bathroom, and mechanical right here. Though.
right here.
Over here.
So
You got laundry. That's what you're talking about. Then you got a bathroom and a mechanical closet.
is this supposed to be the bathroom?
No, this is the hallway.
Oh, okay, so
It's on that side.
okay.
It's a big ass.
That's why this room is so damn big.
Yeah, it's a big ass master.
Cause I was like, wait a minute. Alright. So we standing in the master.
Yep.
This is a big master.
Yep. Walk-in closet.
Walk-in closet. We're gonna do custom closets in there.
And all this bathroom.
This is a lot of space. We got a small window in here. That's one of the windows here. Another window. We're gonna have plenty of lighting. This is gonna be a beautiful master. Something ain't right, HG. I'm confused. I think this is the bathroom.
It's two masters up here.
There and here?
Yeah, based on your plans.
Okay.
So this is a master, and then this is a master.
Is this supposed to be a bathroom right here?
Yeah, it's a big bathroom right here.
How do we get in? I know, so that room connects. This room
Yeah.
don't connect to a bathroom? See y'all, I'm learning. Still learning. Okay, so this room is supposed to connect to a bathroom. I think it's here.
Hold on. Let me rewalk this real quick. Boom. So come up the stairs, master right here. So this is this bedroom right here.
Correct.
Right? So boom, we walk in through this door. This is the door we walking through right?
Okay, but where's the mechanical closet? That's supposed to be right.
It's not a mechanical closet right there. Follow the plans. We right here. We just walked through this door. So we in this bedroom, right? Let's just walk around. This the walk-in closet. Boom.
Closet.
Right? This
Right.
the closet. Now, this the wall for that other bathroom.
Right.
See what I'm saying?
So what's
So this will be for
the bathroom and the mechanical closet?
yes.
But they didn't frame out the mechanical closet.
No.
Cause we were supposed to hit that soon as before we walked in the room.
Yeah, so this will be the bathroom. And then this the mechanical closet. And that's the laundry room.
So is that supposed to be a wall here?
Huh? Yeah, they supposed to frame another wall here.
Room,
Yeah,
closet,
master, closet, bathroom.
bathroom. This is a big bathroom.
It's a master.
Yep.
Yes, this is crazy. What do you think this is? I guess I'm just trying to. That must be a linen closet. Linen closet, toilet, bathroom. So we thinking double vanity, long shower, sit-in tub. It'll be cute in here.
Yeah, it's a big bathroom.
This is a huge bathroom. Very huge. Up here?
It depends on what type of finishes you want to go for.
Yeah.
You've been thinking about design yet at all?
I have. I've been looking. I got this design that I had seen. I ain't gonna lie, probably it's been like 6 months. But I was like, I gotta do it.
What color scheme you going for? For like kitchen, bathroom, like what you want to go for the floors?
This one was like a chic, modern, more like tan and nude. But I love the black hardware. Like, I absolutely love it. I feel like it makes it look clean and sleek with a little bit of finished pop. You know what I'm saying? So I love the black hardware. So I think I'm still gonna go with the black hardware. I love white for the kitchen cabinets. Love white. Maybe white top, different color bottom, maybe.
You gonna do backsplashes?
Absolutely.
You gonna do accent walls?
I don't know about the accent wall yet. I actually haven't made up my mind yet. But I think that might be something we can throw in there. We're gonna have to ask the development doctor.
What about like sconce lights?
So I think outside of the garage, I think I want to place lighting outside of the garage and kind of brighten it up. Even in between where we have the windows, I think I'm gonna put lights just to bring it a little bit more, you know, outside.
What about for in the bathrooms? Like so that's what I'm saying, like sconce lights in between the vanity lights and stuff like that.
Or LED mirrors.
That too, but the sconce lights add another little pop.
Yeah, that's too. Oh, because we can put like the sconce lights above the LED mirrors to bring extra light. If you don't want to turn the LED lights on, you can turn the sconce on.
Exactly.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Okay, AC, no little song.
This is a nice house though.
Yeah.
Turned out really good.
High ceilings. So we had 3 bed, 3 bath, 3,100 square feet. It's a lot of house. 3 floors.
2 balconies.
2 balconies.
2-car garage.
2-car garage. Should we keep going? No, just wait.
Back deck.
Back deck. Like,
nice inside.
yeah, it's gonna be great. And all these windows, it's gonna bring perfect lighting in here.
View from up top.
Huh?
This is a nice view from up.
Look, they gotta fix that house over there, then we're gonna be good to go. Cause that's what I need them to do, fix this house. But it's a nice size yard, not too much upkeep, not too little. I still feel like they'll be able to do some stuff back here. We're definitely gonna fence this bad boy in. We're gonna fence it in, make it look real cute.
Back deck right there off the back.
And just in case y'all wondering, this hole that's in the ground is actually called a rain garden. So we are.
Who taught you that?
I learned it on my last project actually.
Okay. Wow.
But
See how
but I will say no. Wait. But what I will say, HD put me down on what is actually used for. So basically, you're supposed to connect underground pipes to your gutters that's on the side of your house. So when it rains, all the water will go through the gutters, out the pipes, and then into the rain garden so your yard does not flood. Who would have knew?
So y'all build a bed, what you think, man?
I'm in love. I'm literally in love. Like, to come over here and see so much progress has been done. I probably haven't been over here in like a week, not gonna lie. But a lot of work has got done over here. Extremely excited.
Did you think that the framing process was gonna go so fast?
No, I didn't. I think y'all kind of told me that it was gonna take longer than it was, just so I wouldn't be like, well, when's it gonna get done? When's it gonna get done? But it happened way sooner than I thought. I thought we was probably gonna be at least another week or so out, but they pulled it off.
What day we on? Like, you said what, 45?
Yeah, I think we on like day 45, and that's including everything. The footings,
all of the hiccups that we had.
All the hiccups that we had.
The plans, we had to get them modified a couple of times. So
the crawl space, the block work for the crawl space, the slab for the garage, and the framing.
Yeah.
45 days.
Yep. It's crazy.
I say,
hey,
you know. I'm just
you know how we
saying.
coming. Next we gonna get to these MEPs, and then the fun part we start closing everything in and getting to those finishes. So I'm excited for you.
Where we at?
Shit, I would have to actually look at the budget.
I don't know yet. I was about to say I have to look at the budget, but I think we probably about maybe 30-40% of the budget, and our budget is $300,000. Yeah. So, but we doing real good.
I
with the numbers,
you see where it's at.
Yeah.
You're standing in the house right now. You feel me? So
I'm gonna pay that 30%. Time, triple, double, whatever, because it's getting done. So
yes, Lord.
I'm glad.
So shit, we gonna take it out for this episode. We appreciate y'all for tuning in. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe if you already have it by now. We'll catch y'all next time, man.
See you later.